Hi guys, this next part of inventory management system, and here we will discuss how can we edit or update existing order details like customer name, address, payment status, or how can we remove some product or add new product in existing order. In previous part we have discussed how to create single order with multiple product item by using PHP script with Ajax and Bootstrap Selectpicker plugin. Now we want to update this order data, so here you can see update button, and in this button we have one attribute class is equal to update, and in id attribute we have store order id. So based on this things we will fetch data from inventory order and inventory order product table and display under modal form, and then after we will update this data. So we have go to order page jQuery code, and here we have write $document as selector with on method, and under this method we have right click event with button class update with function. So when we have click on update button, then this code will execute. Under this first we want to get inventory order id, so we have defined one variable inventory order id is equal to $this selector with attribute method, and under this method we have write id attribute. This code will fetch value of id attribute and store into this inventory order id variable. Below this we have defined button action variable is equal to fetch single. We will use this variable value at server side for fetch single inventory order data. Then after we have write $Ajax request, and under this request first we have write URL option set to order action.php page. Here we have send request to this file. In second option we have write method set to post method. We have use post method for send data to server. In third option we can define which data we want send to server. Here we have write inventory order id and button action variable, so we have send value of branded and button action variable value send to server. In fourth option we have write data type. Here we can define in which data type you want received data from server, so here we have write JSON data type. So it will receive data in JSON data type format. Lastly, in Ajax request we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. In this function first we want show this order modal on web page with data, so we have write $with modal id order modal with modal method, and under this method we have write show. This code will initialize modal on web page. After this we have write $with text box id inventory order name with value method, and under this we have write data.inventory order name variable. This will fill this text box with data. Below this we have again write $with text box id inventory order date with value method, and under this method we have write data.inventory order date. This will fill inventory order date text box with data. After this we want to fill inventory order address text area field, so we have write $with id inventory order address with value method, and under this method we have write data.inventory order address. Now we want fill inventory order product details under span tag is span product details, so we have write $with id span product details with HTML method, and under this we have write data.product details. This way we will display product detail on web page. After this we want to select payment status select box, so we have write $with select box id payment status with value method, and under this we have write data.payment status. Now we want to change modal title from create order to edit order, so we have write $with class name modal title with HTML method, and under this method we have write edit order. It will change modal title. After this we want to assign inventory order id variable value to hidden field with value of inventory order id variable, so we have write $with hidden field id inventory order id with value method, and under this method we have write inventory order id variable. Now we want to also change action button name from add to edit, so we have write $with button id action with value method, and under this method we have write text edit. And we want to change value of button action hidden field also, so we have write $with hidden field id button action with value method, and under this method we have write edit text. So it will change hidden field value to add to edit. Now we have go to order action.php page, and on this page we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post button action variable value is equal to fetch single. So if this variable value is equal to fetch single, then it will execute if block of code, and here we have write $query variable is equal to select star from inventory order table, where inventory order id is equal to inventory order id. This simple select query which will fetch particular order data from inventory order table. Now we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $query variable. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method with inventory order id variable value get from $post inventory order id variable in array. This will execute query. After this we have write $result variable is equal to $statement with fetch all method. This method will fetch a result from query execution and store into $result variable. Below this we have defined $output variable is equal to data type. In this variable we will store inventory order data. Now we have write for each loop with $result variable as $row variable. Here we have fetch data from $result variable by using for each loop. Under this loop first we have write $output inventory order name variable is equal to $row inventory order name variable. After this for store inventory order date data, so we have write $output inventory order date variable is equal to $row inventory order date variable. Same way we want to store inventory order address data, so we have write $output inventory order address variable is equal to $row inventory order address variable. Now we want to store payment status data, so we have write $output payment status variable is equal to $row payment status variable. Below this we have write $subquery variable is equal to select star from inventory order product table, where inventory order id is equal to $post inventory order id. This query will return list of product in particular inventory order from inventory order product table. After this we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $subquery variable. This will make above query for execution. Now we want to execute above query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method. This method will execute above query. After query execution, now we want to get query execution result, so we have write $subresult variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. Below this we have defined two variable like $product details and $count variable with blank value. Now we have write for each loop with $subresult variable as $subrow variable. By using this variable we can fetch data from $subresult variable. Under this loop we have a $product details variable, and in this we have append HTML code like spa tag with attribute it is equal to row with dynamic value of $count variable. Here we generate dynamic value of span tag id attribute. Under this we have select tag with attribute name is equal to product id. Id is equal to product id with dynamic $count variable value. Class is equal to Selectpicker. Data live search attribute is equal to true and required attribute for validation. Now we want to fill this select box with product data, so we have simply called fill product list function with $connect variable. This function will fill select box with data, and this function we have already make in function.php page. Below this we have input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to hidden product id, and id is equal to hidden product id with dynamic value of $count variable, and value is equal to $subrow product id. After this we want to display quantity text box, so we have input type is equal to text, name is equal to quantity, value is equal to $subrow quantity variable, and required attribute for validation. It will display quantity text box with data. Now we have if statement, and under condition we have $count variable value is equal to blank. If this condition will true, then it will execute if block, otherwise it will execute else block of code. Suppose above condition is true, then it will execute if block, and under this we have $product details variable, and in this we have append HTML code like button tag with attribute type is equal to button, name is equal to add more, id is equal to add more with plus text. By click on this button, user can add one more product row for add new product into order. But suppose above condition is false, then it will execute else block, and under this we have $product details variable, and in this we have append HTML code like button tag with attribute type is equal to button, name is equal to remove, id is equal to dynamic value of count variable. By click on this button, user can remove particular product details from order. Now we have $output product details variable is equal to $product details variable value. This way we have store product HTML data into this $output product details variable. So here we have store all order data with product into this $output variable. Now we want to send this data to Ajax request, so we have echo statement with encode function with $output variable. This way we have send order data to Ajax request. Here friends, we can see that when we have click on update button of any order, then modal has been initialized on web page with form field has been filled with data. Here add button name has been changed to edit, and modal title has been changed to edit order. So now when we have click on this edit button, then product data has updated and display on web page. So when we have click on edit button and form data has been submitted via Ajax, and we have already write query code on this event, and in that we have send request to order action.php file, so we have directly go to order action.php file. On this file here we have if statement with $post button action variable value is equal to edit. This condition will check if this variable value is equal to edit, then this if block of code will execute. Under this block we have $delete query variable is equal to delete from inventory order product table, where inventory order is equal to $post inventory order id variable. This query will delete particular order product from inventory order product table. $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $delete query variable. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method. This will execute query. Below this we have write $delete result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This will fetch query execution result. Now we want to check data deleted or not, so we have write if statement and under condition we have write is set function with $delete result variable. This condition will check if this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. If value is set, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write $total amount variable is equal to 0. We will store total order value under this variable. After this we have write for loop with $count variable value is equal to 0, $count value less than value returned by count function with $post producted variable, count variable value increment by 1. Under this loop we have write $product details variable is equal to fetch product details function with 2 argument like $post producted $count variable and $connect variable. This function will return product details in array format which we have store under this $product details variable. This function we have already make in function.php page, so here we have simply called it. After this we have write $subquery variable is equal to insert into inventory order product table with table column like inventory order id, product id, quantity, price and tax with values like inventory order id, product id, quantity, price, and tax. This is insert query for insert order product data into inventory order product table, and below this we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $subquery variable. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $statement variable with execute method, and under this method we have passed data in array format. This will execute query. In array inventory order id key value get from $inventory order id variable, product id key value get from $post producted $count variable. Same way quantity key value get from $post quantity $count variable, price with key value get from $product details price variable. Tax key with value $product details tax variable. This way we have passed multiple product data in array. Below $base price variable is equal to $product details price variable into $post quantity $count variable. By this code we will get base price for particular product. Now we want to get tax amount, so we have write $tax variable is equal to $base price divide by 100 into $product details tax variable. So this way we can get particular tax value. After this we want to get total amount, so we have write $total amount variable is equal to $total amount plus base price plus $tax variable. So this way we can get particular product total amount in including tax with base price. After getting total amount value, so we have write $update query variable is equal to update inventory order table set inventory order name is equal to inventory order name, inventory order is equal to inventory order date. Same way inventory order address is equal to inventory order address, inventory order total is equal to inventory order total, payment status is equal to payment status where inventory order is equal to inventory order. This update query will update data in inventory order table. So now we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $update query variable. Below this we have write $statement variable with execute method with data passed in array. This method will execute update query. In array inventory order name key value get from $post inventory order name variable, inventory order date key value get from $post inventory order date variable, inventory order address key value get from $post inventory order address variable. After this we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This method will return query execution result and store into $result variable. Now we want to check order data edited or not, so we have write if statement and under condition we have write is set function with $result variable. This condition will check if value of this variable is set or not. If set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write echo statement with order edited text. This message will be seen to user on web page. Now our order edit code is ready, so we have saved this code and check output in browser. Friends, here you can see order data in table format. Now we want to update some data, so here you can see first order which we have inserted last time. So here we have click on update button. After clicking this button, modal has been pop up with data. Now we have changed some order details. Now we have click on edit button, then we can see order edited message on web page. Now we have again click on update button and modal has been pop up on web page. Now we want to add new product in order, so we have simply click on plus button and new product row has been appended and we have fill product details. After this we have click on update edit button, so now can see this order total amount has been changed and we can see order details by click on update button, then we can see 3 product in order. This way we can add new product or remove product from existing order in order editing. Now in next part we will discuss how to see order in PDF format and delete order details. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, and if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.